The RoofMate coating system is very easy to apply and comes with a 15-year warranty. Instead of tearing off the roof, save money by repairing and restoring the existing roof in 3 steps. Just prep, seal, and coat. When installing roof coatings, it's important to understand the warranty details and have the tools needed to apply the product. It's very important to first identify the surface that's being coated. Covering asphalt? Here's what's needed. To prep, begin by pressure washing the roof surface. Seal the roof with RoofMate Buttergrade flashing and RoofMate fabric to cover penetrations, and RoofMate seam tape to reinforce seams. And for coating, apply a layer of RoofMate base coat. This product contains bleed blocking protection that will help keep the newly coated roof white. The bleed blocking protection in the base coat is an important note. That means it can be used as both a primer and first layer of coating in one. This base coat is grayish in color, which allows for easy visibility when applying the top coat. Finally, it's time to apply RoofMate Top Coat as the second layer. Once the top coat is applied, the bleed blocking protection will keep the roof looking white. GAF Roof Shield coating is now being offered and is a more cost-effective solution than the RoofMate system, yet still provides 12 years of warranty coverage. Roof Shield works for repairs, but it's highly recommended for preserving roofs that are not leaking and in good shape. For both RoofMate and Roof Shield coatings, we provide 5-gallon buckets that cover approximately 100 square feet per gallon. To find out more about GAF coatings, visit gaf.com.